Exam Marker Security Feature. The Exam Marker Security feature ensures secure handling of examination questions, answers, and generated documents in MS Word format by authorized officials within the institution. This system protects the confidentiality and integrity of sensitive examination materials, keeping them secure and away from student devices. Process Overview. 1. Application Setup. A basic shell of the application is installed on the student's PC, restricting access to sensitive examination content and ensuring only necessary components are present during the exam. 2. Secure.
Story. This is the story. This is the question. This is the first possible answer. This is a second possible answer. This is a third possible answer.
USB drives. Prior to the examination, designated officials receive secure USB drives containing essential files for creating and managing the exam. This prevents unauthorized access and manipulation of exam materials. 3. Content preparation. The exam setter uses a notepad file on the USB drive to meticulously capture essential information line by line, including student information, names, numbers, years, and courses. Question details. Each question consists of a narrative, the question itself, and 2 to 3 possible answers. This structured process continues until all examination questions are thoroughly prepared, resulting in a complete and secure exam document. 4. Post-exam. Security. After the examination, USB drives are collected to ensure all materials are securely stored and inaccessible from student PCs, maintaining the integrity of the assessment process. Exam security during the exam. To prevent students from accessing answers or questions through unauthorized means, the process is tightly controlled. 1. Exam initialization. Once the secure USB drive is inserted and the student begins the exam, the program automatically populates placeholders within the application shell with the exam details, including narratives, questions, and answers. 2. Interactive exam process. Students can click on each item, which is read back to them using text-to-speech functionality. This aids comprehension and reduces anxiety during the exam. 3. Answer selection. Students choose their preferred answer by clicking on a corresponding button. Once selected, the narrative, question, and possible answers are hidden from the screen to prevent any review or changes. 4. Automatic data capture. In the background, the program writes captured information directly into an MS Word document that constitutes the exam, including any predetermined information from the exam setter. This ensures all answers are securely logged. 5. Voice recognition feature. Students also have the option to provide answers using a voice recognition feature, enhancing accessibility and ease of use. Conclusion. This comprehensive, multi-step approach safeguards the examination process and enhances the integrity of assessments by securing sensitive information throughout the evaluation period. By using this system, institutions can ensure a fair and controlled examination environment for all students. This process eliminates the need for a human scribe, relieving educational institutions of the burden of sourcing this resource. It also removes the necessity for physical devices, such as specialized readers or pens, and software solutions that may not be suitable for the South African academic environment. By providing faster feedback, this system empowers students with disabilities, fostering a greater sense of independence and security during their assessments.